M&M English Academy presents 10 Everyday English Words.
Appetizer. Appetizer. We ordered an appetizer to share. We ordered an appetizer to share.
Leftovers. Leftovers. I'll put the leftovers in the fridge. I'll put the leftovers in the fridge.
Bill or check. Bill or check. The check is more expensive than I expected. The check is more expensive than I expected.
Utensils. Utensils. She set the table with utensils. She set the table with utensils.
Seasoning. Seasoning. Add some seasoning to the chicken. Add some seasoning to the chicken.
Dish. Dish. My favorite dish is pasta. My favorite dish is pasta.
Takeout. Takeout. She ordered sushi takeout. She ordered sushi takeout.
Reservation. Reservation. I need to make a reservation for tonight. I need to make a reservation for tonight.
Waiter or waitress. Waiter or waitress. The waiter was very friendly. The waiter was very friendly.
Gratuity. Gratuity. The gratuity is already included in the bill. The gratuity is already included in the bill.
Now, it's time to test your knowledge.
Appetizer. Appetizer.
Utensils. Utensils.
Takeout. Takeout.
Leftovers. Leftovers. Reservation. Reservation.
Seasoning. Seasoning.
Complete the sentence.
Every country has a traditional dish people are proud of.
The waiter was very polite, and he brought us dessert.
He paid the bill with her credit card.
He added the gratuity to the bill.
We ordered an appetizer before the main course.
For more videos like this, subscribe and give the video a like.